No, it was definitely like shopping in the first degree. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is very impromptu. I picked up a couple things. Oh my god, I have like such crazy guilt about them. And then I also have like a crazy pile of clothes over here that I want to show you. But these clothes were all gifted to me. They are from this amazing sale that I collaborate with here in Toronto. And every time I go to this sale, I promote this sale, and it's my favorite sale. It is so good every time I go, and I get paid in clothing. Usually I don't like to accept product in exchange for promo, but this is like stuff that I actually love and want, and it'd be really expensive for me to buy, so I'm taking the clothes. By the way, guys, I'm wearing a Chanel cashmere sweater, just really comfortable, really gorgeous, amazing for this time of year. It's got this cool double collar, the CCs on the wrists, and like this double collar that you could wear like one up, one down, both up. It's just really cozy, comfortable, but also very chic and sophisticated. It's such a beautiful time of year for fashion. You know, we're heading on to winter, but did you guys see my Halloween costume, by the way, on Instagram? I slayed my entire life. I was Jennifer Lopez for Halloween. If you're not following, make sure you do, because I post my fashion daily there, in stories, in posts. I always let you guys know when things are on sale, stuff like that. So it's just like heads up, if you're not following, do. I put this in my pot. I just want to show you. This was the dress that I wore for Halloween. If you didn't see it on my Insta, go check it out right now. Go follow me right now. Like everything. Okay, Lisa Rinna was also Jennifer Lopez for Halloween, and I think I got about 100 tags on like an Us Weekly or Lisa Rinna post where people were like, "Style hard, you did it so much better, Maytel. You were a way better Jennifer Lopez. You slayed J-Lo, blah, blah, blah." So I'm so sorry, Lisa Rinna, but I definitely wore it better. But we all know the queen herself, J-Lo, wore it the best. And we're not trying to outshine. We're just trying to pay homage. So many people were like, "Is that Versace? Oh my God, that looks so good. Is that actually Versace? Like, where'd you get that dress?" Like, not sponsored. I got it at canadiancostumes.ca or something like that. Something so stupid. So stupid. But I got it altered, and I had it like, it was way too low. We had to just like, you know what I mean? Too like X-rated. Can't do all of that. So let's get into this haul. I'm going to get to the Fendi. I'm not going to wait till the last minute to get to the Fendi, but I'm just going to start with a few it pieces. So I just want to show you these amazing workout leggings. These are by Coral. You guys might know that I am a fanatic when it comes to like really cool workout leggings, because I've mentioned them in 3 other videos, and I love a good pair of workout leggings. These are just like absolutely so sick, if you ask me, like neon pink with black. So, I mean, Coral is like a very premium luxury workout legging brand. So I just thought these were so amazing. And again, these were gifted to me. Everything in this haul was gifted to me except for the Fendi. The next thing I want to show you is this absolutely gorgeous. And after this, we're going to get into the Fendi. So just, this is just absolutely so gorgeous and so high fashion. It's a velvet bodysuit. Really, really gorgeous. Velvet Rani Kobo bodysuit. And it's got these absolutely magnificent arms and shoulders. I mean, it's sheer, which I love. Who doesn't love a sheer moment? And it's also very, very on trend. And then it has bows at the shoulders, and bows at the elbows, and bows at the wrists. I'm sorry. This is kind of everything. Amazing. There's a few more really amazing things I want to show you here, but I know you really want to see the Fendi. So we'll start with this bad bitch over here, which is from the Nicki Minaj collection, and I just couldn't resist. I kind of had to pre-order this early, so it's not like this wasn't like first degree shopping. I definitely had intentions of buying this. Like it wasn't just like a random accidentally I happened to pop into Fendi, oh, I can't resist it, I have to buy it. No, it was definitely like shopping in the first degree, like had every intention of getting something from the Nicki Minaj collection. So I went into Fendi and I did get one of the items that was like extremely hard to get. And that is this super, super amazing neon pink. Oh man. Fendi bathing suit. Are you kidding me? Where am I wearing this, you ask? No idea. I might rock it as a bodysuit actually because I think that's such a vibe. Like maybe in Miami, I will rock this. I mean, just like I want to show you up close. Look how just divine the colors are. I love a bright color. It's like neon on neon. It's like light pink neon, pastel pink neon with like bright neon pink on top. I think this will look really, really cool with like a pair of jeans and just like rock it as a bodysuit. I don't know if I'd rock it as a bathing suit just because like it's extremely skimpy here. It's almost thong, and I'm not like a thong at the beach kind of girl, just like not my vibe. But I do absolutely love this as a bodysuit with a skirt, with jeans. I think there's so many cute things I could wear with this, and this fits really small, so I got this in an Italian 40. I'm usually a 36, but on the chest I needed like a little more. Like I didn't want any boobage coming out from the bottom, so even this is tight, it's snug, but it's good, it's perfect, and it'll be perfect for a night out in the summer, on vacation. Really, really cool. I love this. Oh, I have another gorgeous dress to show you. But before I show you the dress, I'm going to show you jeans and then this Fendi box. So just, we're getting there. At this sale that I was telling you about, they have the most amazing jeans. Racks and racks of my favorite jeans. I've made you guys a video of my favorite jeans. I'll link it right here. And in that video, I basically featured, I think, mainly Girlfriend jeans and Joe's, because Girlfriend and Joe's jeans are the best jeans for my body and my shape. I have a very, very small torso, and I have like more hips and thighs and stuff like that. That's kind of like where I carry my weight. Not complaining, just telling you. That's my body shape. So for jeans, I really like good compression. I like a jean to like lift and suck. You know what I mean? Just bring it in and lift her on up. So that's how I feel that Girlfriend jeans are on my body. So these are my favorite Girlfriend jeans. These are both the Girlfriend jean in the style Carolina. Carolina is my favorite simply because they're high-waisted, they're a perfect length, they go to the ankle, and they really like just, I feel very sucked in. I feel like my tush is like up and tight and right, you know what I mean? So I have a few different pairs of Carolina already in different washes, and then when I saw these, I thought, oh my god, these are so cool. And then they like have these like strings hanging at the bottom, which could be kind of gross if they're like dragging on the ground. So you could tie them, or you could have just like that cool stringy look hanging out. But I think these are sick. I love how they look on me. I love the wash. I think this could be styled like really cute. I'm like really excited to wear these. I got these amazing jeans. Also the Carolina, so I'll show you, and I'm a size 25. In all my jeans, I'm a 25. I just didn't have a pair of super high-waisted black jeans, so I got the Carolinas in black, and that is that on that. Lastly, for jeans, these amazing Joe's that are actually flared crops. I love Joe's jeans for very different reasons than I love Girlfriend jeans. I love Joe's because even though they're thin denim and stretchy, whereas Girlfriend jeans are raw denim, the ones that I like of Girlfriend are raw denim. So it's a harder denim, there's no stretch, there's no give, and that's why I feel like I'm just like sucked in and lifted and stuff like that. With Joe's, they're thinner denim and they are stretchy. So you're not like, it's not like there's so much compression there. However, they're still really, really flattering, which is kind of very hard to achieve in a thin denim. For me personally, the way I like my jeans to fit and look, I usually don't like a super thin, stretchy denim. It usually does not flatter my body, but these are just so perfect. Size 25 again. Gorgeous, gorgeous wash, and they have this like cute pleat in the middle of them, and they're just like cropped and flared. I love the waist of them. I love that it's like kind of like a thick band at the top, which just kind of makes them a tiny bit chicer. You know what I mean? You don't have to wear a belt at all and still you look pretty on in these. These with like a white button down, you know, the collar out, and a gorgeous pair of mules. Like, you don't even need a belt. That's how good these are. So I love these, and that's it. I have a couple more gorgeous things to show you from this bunch, but first I'll get into this that I have a tremendous, tremendous amount of guilt for, and I really need you guys to coach me through. Okay, I know a lot of people will not like this. It's very, very right now in the moment. And I've said this many times on my channel that a lot of things in fashion that we wear that are hot right now, we're gonna think they're really ugly one day. We're gonna regret them. There's a lot of things in fashion that I cannot stand right now. I think it's a very, very kind of ugly era in fashion. I think that just like we made fun of the 80s when we were in the 90s and early 2000s, we're gonna, years from now, look back on this era and really make fun of so many of the things that we wore. A lot of things I really do not like, I will not give into. Some things that I can understand people would find ugly, I still kind of like. So I am completely guilty of falling in love with some trends that are definitely not classic. I do love these. I just don't know if I should keep them or find a dupe to these. You know what I mean? Like, do I need a $1,200 pair of boots right now? I probably don't. So where's my receipt? It's there, good. Just in case I want to return them. But I love them. So I'm very back and forth about them. Okay, look, the heel, I can understand people might not like that. I kind of do. They're very comfortable. It's the Fendi square toe boot. So square toe is very much in fashion right now, very much on trend. It's probably going to last a few seasons going forward. It's not a classic. It's not going to last forever, for sure. A few years ago, a square toe was completely ridiculous and outdated. Now a square toe is like very in and trendy and on. There's a lot of square toes happening in fashion. Bottega Veneta kind of brought this square toe to the forefront. They did it in such a wide, dramatic way that a lot of people think it's like the most hideous thing ever. It looks like a duck shoe. I do not love all the Bottega shoes I've seen. Some of them are hideous. Some of the square toe Bottegas are really cool though, and I know a lot of people are not into them. They might not be ready for that trend yet. Most certainly not for everybody at all. I kind of love Fendi's interpretation of the square toe. It's not too wide, it's not too narrow, it's very much a square. And also with these is that it has the new Fendi logo, which is what Karl Lagerfeld did in his last collection for Fendi before he died. They're off-white, so they're a cream color. Let me show you the other boot. They smell divine. They just smell divine. I love the smell of luxury. What can I say? They have this cool Fendi tab detail at the back, which is really, really cute. I chose this cream color instead of black because I just felt like black was just so, even though they're not ordinary, somewhat ordinary, because like all my shoes are black, and when it comes to like special shoes, especially luxury shoes, I like to get something a little more special, something in a color. So these were kind of my favorites. I love that they're light. But again, yeah, they are very out there. They're a little eccentric with this heel and with this toe. But, you know, there's going to be a new fashion director as well. So this is kind of like the only collection with this logo. However, I just bought them because I love them. I really need your help on this one. I'm sure a lot of you guys won't like it. You know, that's fine. But if you are somewhat into the square toe trend, I want your opinion on how you feel about Fendi's square toe, because I truly do love these, but I do have guilt about them because I As you guys can see, I've been shopping a lot lately, and it's not responsible. I shouldn't be doing this. So why do I do this? I don't know, but I don't stop. I just continue. Size 37.5, by the way, if I didn't tell you that. I don't know what the future holds for these boots. We'll see. I might return them. Only a couple things left of this haul. The next thing I'm going to show you is this absolutely gorgeous, once again, Ronnie Cobo dress. So it's open in the front and it's also open in the back. It's got this gorgeous frilly detailing at the bottom and ruched pleating. So I love that it's kind of like a splatter paint vibe going on here. And then it has this gorgeous collar that you do up in the back and then you tie in the front. So you get like this nice little bow when you wear it. It's got like a strong shoulder, but not overly strong. So just like very on trend. And then this like loose kind of billowy sleeve and just like a simple cute button closure cuff. So perfect for me and just like the type of things that I wear. Ronnie Cobo is very much a favorite in my closet, and Ronnie Cobo is actually a girl, a woman, not a guy. Just like amazing designer of like luxurious, thick, high quality knits. And then we're seeing a lot of these silk fabrics from Ronnie Cobo lately, and beautiful billowy sleeves and strong shoulders, just what I want to be wearing right now. So on trend and so for me. And last but not least is this really cool leather shearling jacket. I am so lucky that these people, it's called the How International Sale. They're out of Montreal and they come to Toronto a couple times a year, and every time they come to Toronto I help them. It's just so nice of them to give me these beautiful items. This is again leather and shearling, and it's like a gorgeous shade of beige with like pinkish undertones, but like still in the beige family. It is a little big on me, but I still love it. So the thing about this sale is that a lot of the items are samples. I mean, most of the items, there's a wide size range, but some items that get in the sale are samples, and this is one of them, and it's kind of like just a bit of a bigger fit, but I kind of like the oversized vibe of it. I think it's just really cool, and it's a different take. Like we see this aviator shearling style jacket in black a lot, or with like the black and white, or like dark brown and off-white, but we haven't seen too many in the light colors. I just think this is so cool, very trendy and in style right now. I'm really happy with it, and I'm definitely gonna rock it this winter for sure. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very impromptu haul, but I just did get a bunch of gorgeous stuff yesterday, and I really wanted to show you them, and I wanted to show you my amazing Fendi purchases. I really want to know what you think, especially about those boots. Really need your help. And of course, let me know anything else that you loved in this haul, things that you really didn't love at all, and just your overall thoughts on this entire haul. You guys know I love hearing from you, so thank you so much for taking the time to engage with me, for being here, for watching. I love you guys so much. As always, I'll be back in a couple days with another really amazing video right up your alley, so don't miss out on that. I'll see you in a couple days. Until next time. Bye for now.